Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about domestic air conditioning units and the different things that you can do at home to keep your system running efficiently and cooling and heating effectively. Hi guys, my name's Steve. I'm the maintenance manager here at Faircloth Reynolds, and today I'll be giving you some tips and advice on how you can look after your air conditioner at home. We'll be looking at some easy things you can do yourself and let you know when it's time to get the professionals in. One of the most common causes of inefficiency in your air conditioner is a dirty filter. And that's quite an easy thing to clean yourself. Most units are pretty much the same. You just pop the front panel. If your filter's dirty, slide it out, give it a wash, let it dry, and then put it back in. The next thing to look at yourself is your outside unit. Is it covered by grass, dirt and debris? Just clear the area around your outside unit, and you can also give it a wash with a hose, but make sure you've got your power turned off before you do this. With the filter clean, it's really dependent on how much you use your air conditioner, but a good starting point would be to check it every 3 months and work out a schedule from that point on. With your outdoor unit, it's good to probably clean that at least every 6 months, just to make sure it's ready for the change of each season. Now I hear you ask, when do I call in a professional? Great question. Different things that would have you call in a professional. Your air conditioner's not cooling or heating, you're hearing strange noises from your air conditioner, or you have a water leak coming from your air conditioner. And when I say water leak, I'm talking about from the inside unit. It is quite normal for a bit of water to come from your outside unit when running in heating mode. It's also a good idea to book in an annual service from a professional like us. We can come out and have a look at your system and check all the performance. So if you're in the mid-north coast or New England regions of New South Wales, call us on 1300 136 306 and book in a service call. And one of our friendly staff will come out and have a look over your system for you for the peace of mind that your air conditioner is running the best it can be. As you can see behind me, we also have a range of domestic units to suit any application. So should you find the need for a new air conditioner or you just want to revamp your old one, we've also got that covered for you. So anyway, we hope that gives you all the information you need to help keep your air conditioner running in tip-top shape. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.